Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the setting on Dodge Ram 2013 to 2018 automatic climate control. First of all, the original tow hose button, exhaust brake, and also the traction control is going to be moved to here. And then the temperature is going to be controlled from the touch screen. After the installation, if your car comes with the Alpine sound system, you might need to adjust the volume. First of all, click on the console and then click on the setting here. There's a lot of setting here. You might also need to adjust all the setting here. If your car comes with this feature, then you might need to adjust it. For example, for automatic suspension, you can also adjust it from here. Trailer brake, you can also adjust from here. And AUX, if your car comes with the multiple AUX, you can also choose the AUX option here. Exhaust brake is right here. Volume is the amplifier setting. You can increase the volume. You can only adjust the setting after you connect to the vehicle. And balance and the fader, front and rear. Okay, and you can also adjust the base here. You can also adjust from here. So one sound is right here. You can adjust all of the setting here, but some of the setting, if it's not available in your vehicle, it's not gonna be responsive. Okay. And other than that is after the installation, if you have some issue with the climate control, for example, if your car comes with the single zone climate control, you might need to update the software as well. Please contact us and then we will send you the software. How to do that is copy the software that we send to you. It's only 40 kilobytes, and then copy to an empty USB, insert to the unit. Make sure it's readable, recognized by the unit. If the USB is recognized by the unit, you will see that there's a logo on top. I'm gonna show you. Connect to the USB directly that goes to the glove box. Okay. Here is the USB, and then you can connect it. Once you connect the USB, you can see that it's recognized. It will show the symbol here. If the symbol is not available, that means the USB is not recognized by the unit. Then you need to change the USB. And then you can go to System Info. This is, you only need to update the software if you have some issue with the climate control. It only applies on the automatic climate control. And then you can insert to the USB, click on Upgrade, click on Simple Upgrade. Okay, click on Simple Upgrade, and then you will have a progress bar on top. After you finish, then you will reload, and then you will reboot to the system. When you see the main menu again, then you can unpop the software, unpop the USB. That means the update is done. Other than that, you can also go to the default apps here. It will also allow you to change the navigation software, Google Map, and default video player. App customize. That means the shortcut here, you can change this one to any of the application you're looking for. Equalizer is right here. If your car comes with the Alpine system, you cannot use this equalizer because the Alpine system comes with its own equalizer. You will duplicate the setting and you will mess up the original amplifier setting. User setting is right here. If you want the unit every time when you turn on the unit, the system will automatically load up the navigation software. Then you can turn on this feature. Second one, you can turn off the split screen of the navigation. For example, this is the navigation right here. You can also split screen. For example, right here, you can also play the movie. Okay. Perfect. And then press one more time, it will become the full screen again. Press one more time, and then you will split the screen. It's very straightforward and easy to use. Okay, other than that, this system also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You just need to pair with the Bluetooth and then go to Ceiling, and then the system will automatically activate the Apple CarPlay, and you just need to grant authorization on the cell phone. If you don't want the Apple CarPlay to be automatically connect to your phone every time, then you can just turn off this one. Auto reconnect, turn off this one, and then the Apple CarPlay will not activate automatically every time when you get into the car. Just keep that in mind. If you want to use the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you cannot use the wireless Apple CarPlay at the same time, because the Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, and then once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background to transfer the data. That means when you use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you cannot use the Wi-Fi hotspot at the same time. Alright. You can also change the logo here. You can put logo is right here. You can just copy the USB and then connect to the unit, and then you can choose the logo that you're looking for. Radio region is the one that's set to your country. In order to change the setting of the climate control, make sure it's the white setting install set. Enter 666 Click OK. Make sure if for the automatic climate control, make sure it's high, 13 to 18. Do not need to click on this one. Okay. If you click on this one, you will change the boot up logo of the unit. Alright, and then you don't need to change anything else. If you have any issue with the backup camera, you can also adjust the backup camera here. If you install the aftermarket camera, then you can change the VGA or CVBS, and then every time when you change the system, change the setting, you can click on this icon, save and reboot, and then the system will reboot and save the setting. Before you do this, the new setting will not take effect. If you mess up with any setting, there's a reset button here. It's right here. There's a tiny hole here. It's reset. They have two holes here. The upper one is the microphone. The lower one is the reset button. You can just click on that one, use a paper clip, and then the system will restart. Very nice. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.